Hey guys, Cripple Fossing Australia. Welcome back if you're old, and if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, so it's been a while. So I'm down on the river again, and as requested, I'm doing a video for sluicing for gems. So I'm going to show you how I do it and give you an idea of where to kind of look for it, and I'll just show you where I've been digging and that kind of thing, and yeah, just see what the results are. Like, but these are generally the cons. Like, I'll just zoom in a bit, give this a look. Just get on nice and quickly on it. Yeah, so you're going to end up with all this kind of stuff. Come on. Yeah, so plenty of garnets and stuff in there. Zircons, garnets, spinel, and yeah, nice bits of gold too, apparently. Yeah, so I'll show you how I get this kind of stuff, because everyone's always asking, and I'm going to show you right now, so let's go. So, just been digging along here, and you can see my gravel that I've just piled there. So what you're looking for mainly is you want to go to the main part of the river where the water's mainly travelling, so the main channel if you can. And once you find that main channel, you'll know, because there's gravels everywhere. Like this kind of stuff's what you're looking for. See all this? And it's got material all through it. It's good for your gold too, but your gems, definitely for your gems. Especially around Rocky River. But yeah, you can see, like, I'll probably find a little garnet in there, to be honest, but it's that material, that's what you're looking for. Hope that helps. Yeah, old material like that, see how old that is? And all those rocks in there? That's what you're looking for too. Alright, let's have a look at the sluice. So, this is how I get the sluice set up, and I'll show you. So, I've got it. Give you a look in the angle so you can see. See, there's a rise. See how there's a rise just here? And the cells aren't spinning. See how they've cleared out, but they're not spinning? So there's enough force to actually get them spinning, but not spin it all out, all the material out, and that's how I do it. Just make sure, you know, it's just normal, like nice and even. You want your even size, like even sluice, end to end, and then you can see every cell is just full of, yeah, you can see it's just full of gravels. And then here's where all your garnets and that start appearing. You can see, get on the right angle for this. Yeah, you can see the colours in there. Beautiful. So you're just collecting all that extra material, and yeah, you end up getting gold too, so win-win. See, this is a pretty bad blast, half a tub, but it's alright. But yeah, that's how I do it. See, there's a nice little zircon there. Yeah, little zircon. You can see them all through here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. And also, these help a lot. These help a lot. So you can create a dam wall. See, I've created this dam wall here, so I can get the right amount of flow cutting into the sluice. And you want that V right in the middle, of course. You know, you can see it right here. But that rise is very important. So you've got to feed it slowly, and just make sure those ripples aren't turning. See how it's jiggling around though? It's just not just enough to blow it out, and you're still getting your gold in there. But that's how I do it. Yeah, you can see it works pretty damn well. And it catches most of your larger bits. If you have it going too fast and you load your cells too much, look, there's a nice bit right there. Probably zircon. Nice bit. Cool. Yeah. Alright. Hope that helps, guys. Oops, trying to get the angle, the zoom right. Oh well. But yeah. Beautiful day too. Just been hanging out with these guys. They're having a good time, so yeah, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful place. It's under the tree. So heaps of drop-offs in here, but I've put all my crap in here now, so and yeah, make sure you got a gap for your rocks to fall off. But yeah, as you can see, it works very well. Oh, this side got blown out because I stuffed around with the pan just before, as you can see. But yeah, all good.
Alright guys, and yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and thank you so much everyone. Yeah, have a good one, and I'll catch you soon. And I'll give you a photo later of all these jets. It's going to be crazy. See you later.